Hi, my name's Claire Spires and I'm a grief recovery specialist. In this video I want to talk about grieving the mother that you never had. Some grief doesn't come from losing someone. It comes from what you never had, your hopes, dreams and expectations never being fulfilled. If your mother was unavailable, emotionally unavailable, critical or self-absorbed, you might spend a lifetime wondering why she never felt safe or you never felt like you were enough. And when you grow up without nurturing, you learn to survive by pretending everything's fine. You might even tell yourself your childhood was normal, but deep down you still feel really sad and a longing for a mother that you never had. And this isn't about blame, this is about truth. Saying my mum didn't show up for me can feel like you're breaking a sacred rule. You were taught to protect her image and be a good girl and be grateful that she was there. But that shame doesn't belong to you. So the grief recovery method that I work with is a step-by-step program to help you look at the relationship and release much of the pain that surrounds the relationship so that you can then release that and begin to nurture yourself and become the mother that you never had. I'd love to tell you more about it. So if you'd like to book a no obligation free discovery call, I'll put it in the link below.